Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And I am really excited. I'm going to show you the craft room with the white carpet. I love how it turned out. Now, I will tell you, I have a lot of stuff. So there is still a lot to put away. You'll see a lot of empty spots. But I got the majority of stuff put away, and the rest of it I'm just going to do slowly but surely over time. I have it put together so that I can start crafting again, which is what was important. Now, I told you I was going with the white carpet, and I'm still really glad that I did. I will tell you, I might wish that I had it at some point. At this time, I am still glad about it. And I do think that it will be easy to clean because, at least at white, you can bleach it if anything. And this carpet is like the most cleanable carpet that you can get. So initially, my dogs never liked to come in my craft room. Chloe used to love to stay in here with me. That's my old girl that passed away. And the puppies, they don't like to come in here. Well, now since I put the new carpet in, they love coming in here and laying down. Wish I would have known that. I might have opted for a light pink instead of a white. However, I am not going to keep them from coming in just for the sake of the carpet. If they want to come in and be in, they can be in. We'll just have to see how it goes. But I'm loving the white carpet. So as you can see, there's Reese. He's in there. Now, I did get rid of some of the furniture. Now, this back wall, it's weird because on video, it looks like this mirror piece is super small compared to the wall, but it actually isn't. So that's kind of an optical illusion. It's actually pretty big. And then you can see my little name there. Now these pieces here where the wires are hanging down, I'm going to kind of cover them with some flowers. So the wall, I wanted it to be like a distressed look. But what I decided to do was I decided that I would distress it with glitter. So I will, after I show you the room, I have a little bit of video as I was, doing this wall. So I painted it with the pink first, and then I put the glitter into polyurethane. Now, if I wanted it to be a good solid glitter wall, I would have used a lot more polyurethane and a lot more glitter. And and then just done it very even. But my whole thought process with this was wanting like a distressed wall. And I really love the way it turned out. So hopefully you like it too. And we'll get a little closer so you can see. But again, I did get rid of some furniture. There's the dog, the white carpet. I just really like the white carpet with the pink wall. And then, so here I just sort of switched up which tables were there. And what I did was I rolled up all of my vinyl and put it in here. I am so surprised how much fit in these. I rolled it pretty tight though, and took off those bag holders that I used to use it in that were on the back of my wall there because I wanted that wall to be pretty empty. I did take some of the furniture out to make it not quite as full. As you can see, there's a lot of spaces that are still kind of open. And that's intentional so that I can, still put things in there. Because like I said, there's still a lot that needs to come in here. But sorry for the light. Here's all my different little beads. And then this is like my little area for like all the little clay pieces to make like the shaker tumblers. And then my closet. So there's one more cart that will go there with like glue and stuff in it. And then I got these little shelves from Walmart. They were $25 each. And that was really helpful, kind of allow me to organize the closet a little bit better. And then, so on the desk, this is still the IKEA desk with the 2 IKEA shelves. But what I did was I actually brought them out a lot further apart to make the desk bigger. So I have a lot more room at the desk now, which is definitely helpful. You can see I've got like 2 chairs under there. So that's definitely helpful. And then see if we can go a little closer to the wall so you can kind of see that distressed look to it. And again, it's with glitter. There's me. Hi. And then, so this with my name, I got on Amazon. I'll see if I can find it. If I can, I'll link it. I bought it quite some time ago. And then my little flower mirror, I made this. I did a video on it. If I can find it, I'll link it also. But I did a video on it because I made the mirror, the backing of it was actually recycled pieces that were in my grandson's baby bed from Pottery Barn Kids. So there was like, you know, pieces in there that kind of, you know, held everything in the box. I took those pieces, put a long mirror on it, and then added all the flowers. So it's nice because this was the piece from my grandson's baby bed, and now my other grandson sleeps in that same baby bed. So it's kind of nice. The mirror needs to be cleaned. I got to do that. But as you can see, and so here I've got like all my ironing stuff all in one space. And yeah, so dog's still sleeping. So yeah, it worked out really good. Again, you know, as time goes, you'll see me adding, you know, like stuff in there because there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be put away. But I do have probably 70% of it put away because I also threw out a lot of stuff that I didn't need and donated a lot of stuff. So anyways, there is the new craft room with the white carpet. And I hope you like it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day and a really happy weekend, friends. And I'll see you later. Bye. All right, so I have just a small little thing of polyurethane because, again, I'm only distressing the wall. I'm not trying to cover the entire wall. And I just shake it up really good. And I'm going to add glitter to it. So this glitter that I'm using, it's a fuchsia pink color. And it is some Spin It glitter in the bag from Michaels that I bought probably a couple years ago, and just adding it into my polyurethane. I'm going to shake it up really good and then pour it in. And then I'm going to just go in and add, I was just making sure it doesn't all pour out. And then I'm just going to go in and add some more glitter to it. Now, as you can see, I didn't put down any drop cloths or anything. I wasn't worried about this carpet because the carpet's coming up. And I had already painted the wall. It's like a ballet pink, and it's a Behr Premium paint. Added a little more glitter, and then I use a long roller to kind of get up high, and then I'm just doing this in different little sections, and I'm going in kind of different directions. And then, you know, pieces that get like a lot on it, I kind of roll over that to kind of blend it in more, because again, you know, I'm opting for like a distressed look. So I want the entire wall covered, but not evenly distributed. So I'm making it, you know, sort of a little, I dare say, patchy. I don't really know the better word to use for it. And I'm going in different directions with my roller. And I go between, you know, the roller without the stick on it to the roller with the stick on it, depending on, you know, what I'm trying to reach. And then just go all over the wall. And as you can see, again, different, you know, I want just texture. So I'm going in different directions. And then if something gets a little clumpy, you know, then I just take the roller and blend it out until, you know, it's even and blends in really good. So this was fun, and I really liked doing it. See, like there you can see where it was a little bit like super glittery. So I just rolled over it. But if you wanted your wall to be like very glittery like that, just more polyurethane. I would have added, you know, like all the glitter and then just gone over it nice and evenly. You know, I think this would make a really pretty, just regular glitter wall too. And then with it dry, like none of the glitter falls out. It doesn't rub off. It worked really, really well. So just trying to, you know, get all my areas like I said. And then this will go through for just a couple more minutes, you can see. And then at the end of this, I'll show you the wall with no furniture in there, the white carpet, and the mirror not on the wall yet. That way you can see, you know, what it looks like when it's all done. All right. So just keep watching and you'll see that part. I'm going to stop talking. I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And yeah, here's the wall, and I'll see you later. Bye, friends.